Yeah, so this is how you buy and sell Bitcoin here in Ghana with your local bank or mobile money app. So pick your phones and let's get started. But before that, you need to choose your preferred platform you would like to do this trading or maybe buying and selling of Bitcoin on. I recommend OKX and Binance. So I'll be using the two to teach you, but they have similar interface and almost use the same process as of buying and selling and maybe depositing. So make sure you sign up using the links in the description, and you also get a token for signing up with my link. So let's get started. So before that, I'm going to use OKX. Now I'll leave everything on my screen here so you see. So let's say after signing up on OKX, you need to so this is the OKX dashboard, and after signing up, this is how the interface looks like. And you need to add your payment method, either bank transfer, mobile money, Visa card, or any other transfer that you like. I recommend mobile money because that's what you are going to use in this tutorial. So after signing up, you see an interface like this: deposit and P2P trading. So deposit is for someone sending you a Bitcoin via other network. Let's say an OKX user or Binance user wants to send you BTC or USDT. You need to come to the deposit side and choose the coin that you want to receive. Let's say USDT, and use maybe TRC20. So you copy the link and send it to the person, and the person sends you the money. You receive it within some minutes after you send the person, or the person sends the transfer. So we are here to do mobile money top up and maybe selling or buying. So let's click on P2P. P2P simply means peer-to-peer trading. So let's click on that, P2P. Click on P2P. So as you can see currently, if you come to the buy side, you will see from the highest price. Now if you come the buy side, from the lowest to the highest price. So you can see someone selling from 14 cedis 36 pesos. That's the other limit is 15 cedis to 100 cedis, all the way down to 24 cedis. So it depends. You just choose the one that works for your best. So in this buy case, if you want to buy a BTC or USDT now, the best rate in the market now is 14 cedis 36 pesos. So let's say you have Bitcoin and you want to sell. You go to the sell side. You have from 27 cedis down to 7 cedis. So that's from the highest to the lowest, and the selling is from the lowest to the highest price. So let's say Brady USA is selling from 27 cedis. So and the limit is 90,000 to 133,000. It has bank transfer, mobile money, and move money. So you need to check all this. You need to check the payment method the vendor accepts and the one you also use. So transaction won't be like maybe you are sending from a different payment method to a different one, just to lower the charges and everything. So make sure you keep that in mind. So basically that's how I do it. Let's say you want to buy from this vendor 14 cedis 36 pesos. That's the cheapest you can get as of now. So click on buy. So if you click on buy, you have the chance to check the conversion rate. Let's say you have 200 cedis in your Momo, 200. So if you have 200 cedis in your Momo, it amounts to 13.92 USDT. 13.92 USDT. USDT is one of the stable coins you can get in the crypto market. BTC goes up and down, but after buying in USDT, you can equally transfer it to BTC and you trade or maybe mine or do whatever you want to do with it here. So I'm just using USDT as a case study here. So you choose the payment method USDT and you click on buy with 0 fees. After clicking on buy, they will drop the seller's payment info and everything on the platform. You just need to copy it and follow the seller's instructions. Sometimes they drop instructions in the chat box for you to follow. So make sure you click on those, and after everything, you send the money to the vendor. You click on I've paid, and within some minutes, the vendor will also credit you the USDT. And if after 5 minutes the client doesn't credit you, all you need to do is call the vendor. If you are not reaching the vendor, just make sure you contact the support on the app and they'll get back to you. And your coins or money is always safe here in either Binance or OKX, so you don't need to worry about it here. Maybe sometimes just maybe time delay or some issues with the vendor or maybe your side. So Bear that in mind. So let's switch to Binance in case you prefer Binance. This is the Binance interface also. Same here, you can see my balance over here. So with Binance, you just need to come to the wallet side. Then you click on buy. After clicking on buy, you see they open the P2P interface, and here too you can see the prices, the buy ranging from 4 to the 99 pesos all the way down to 4 CD, all the way down to 16 CDs, 20 pesos. So you choose the one that works best for you and you can come to sell. So one thing about this, you can be checking both exchanges and see the one that has the best rates. So you just trade with profits. Yeah. Mind you, all this is we all need profits in business. So just choose the one that works best for you and the one that will benefit you in the end. Yeah. So I think that's all for now. No long talks, nothing. Just follow this simple instructions and you can buy and sell. And if you need any assistance on maybe how to do anything on either Binance or any other platform, just comment it down below and I'll do a tutorial about it. Bye.